Have you guessed what it is yet? Hi, I'm Liz, a product manager here at Canva. Have you ever thought about where the tradition housewarming comes from? It dates back to medieval times and is derived from the practice of literally warming a house. In those days before electricity, when a family moved into a new home, friends and neighbours would bring a gift of firewood and light all the fireplaces. This was believed to ward off evil spirits that may have moved in during the vacancy. The fires and well-wishers would fill the house with protective warmth. It also served as a practical purpose as the heat helped to remove any dampness that may have accumulated in the walls and floors. As the tradition evolved, the literal warming of homes ceased, but the symbolic act of gift-giving and sharing warmth and support remains the key aspect of the celebration. For new residents, it's a chance to share their excitement with friends and family while also meeting their new neighbours. When you think about it, it's a really lovely tradition, the perfect way to open a new chapter and join an existing community. So let's create a heartwarming invitation, welcoming everyone into our new home. In Canva, it's incredibly easy. Let me show you 3 different ways. The easiest way is to begin with a template. We call it Starting Inspired. Well, look how many results there are. There are so many different styles, there's bound to be something that appeals. I'm liking this one. It feels modern but also has the warmth I was looking for. Everything is customizable. Adjust the type like this. Change font here. Search for photos in the Elements tab. Add additional graphics. Okay, that's feeling good. Here you can see what it looks like when it's printed. It seems like a missed opportunity if you don't use the back as well. Maybe I'll write something about the origins of housewarming, like we talked about before. That will explain in a really lovely way why it's important they come and celebrate with me. Create a new page like this. For the background colour, I'm going to select from the photo palette. That's sure to bring it all together. I'll copy and paste some of the text from the front. Whoa, I know this is all made up, but I actually want to host a housewarming party now. Okay, select the finish. How many you want? I'll get envelopes. That way I can send them via the post. Hit continue and in just over a week they'll be at your door. And with free delivery and a happiness guarantee. And with our one print, one tree, it's printing you can feel good about. But say hypothetically you're not as organised as me and you haven't got time to print and send them out. Well, digital is easy too. This time, go into the Share menu. Choose View Only Link. This will create a link you can send via text or email or however you like to communicate with your friends and family. This is what they'll see. But as this is digital, we could add some movement in here. Let's replace this image with a video. Let's add some audio to it to really set the scene. Maybe a fireplace crackling. And maybe some animation in here. I'll use the Create Animation Path tool to create a custom path. That's looking great. This is such a fun tool to use. If you want to learn more, you should watch this video with Matt. He goes into a lot of detail and really shows you how far you can push it. Okay, let's have a look at what my digital housewarming invite looks like. Wow, that's pretty impressive for a few minutes work. It feels like a waste not to make better use of it. Let's resize it into a Facebook event cover. This button will allow you to resize your design into any other document type. Choose Copy and Resize and it'll create a new document for you at the correct size and ratio. Isn't that magic? With a little adjusting, I've now got a Facebook cover ready to upload. This way I can keep an eye out on who can and can't make it. And that's Housewarming Invites. 3 ways: printed, digital, and via social. How could anyone say no? If you're watching this and planning your own housewarming, well, I hope your celebration is everything you want it to be and creates long-lasting memories. Any questions or feedback? We'd love to hear it. Put it in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Oh hey, seems like you're still with us. Looking for something else to watch? You should check out our playlist. It's full of good stuff. And that reminds me, this video might be worth a watch too. See you next time.